Good morning, stars. I'm a little mess this morning. So it's Sunday. We starting a new vlog for the week today. And today I am going to shadow my aunt, who is an esthetician. She has her own business, family business, with her husband and kids, my cousins. And they in town, so we're gonna see how they do what they do. 7:04. So y'all, that was very good and enlightening. I didn't really give any backstory, so here's a little. I just graduated with my aesthetics license. My aunt and my uncle and their family, I think I mentioned that they have a clinic in Atlanta, Georgia, an aesthetics clinic where they do skin treatments and skincare. So me being new to the field, looking forward to taking their courses and getting some training in the skincare to help me along my journey as an esthetician. So they had to come up for a funeral. Oh, this lighting is kind of good right here. They had to come up for a funeral, and when they do come to Syracuse, if the time allows, they also see some clients. So I just wanted to pop in while they did some of my family to see their setup and to just get, pick their brain a little bit and get this process started. So they gave me some foundational things to do, which I'm gonna go online and look into that. And I'm excited for my journey. Yes, yes, yes. But I'm not doing much today. Still kind of fighting this little, whatever these symptoms is. It's really completely almost gone. But I'm about to grab me a coffee and I'm about to go home, honey. I don't know if I'm doing much today, so I don't know if I'm gonna pick the camera back up. If I do, it's gonna be a surprise to me. But if I don't pick it back up today, then I'll definitely see y'all tomorrow. Cause we gonna get outside. The weather is gonna be nice. We gonna get out and do something. Good morning, stars. You gonna say good morning? Girl, ain't no good morning, booty. Anywho, it's Monday and we are getting out today and enjoying this beautiful day. I am feeling better and better by the day. Praise the Lord. And right now we about to neck is necking, okay? We about to I got to get these nails did. And then where we going next after that? I might go see about me some new glasses. And we going to the park. Yeah. Today is gonna be a nicer day than it was yesterday. Yep. Yesterday, once I got home, I just chilled. My big sister, bye. So let's go run these couple errands. I also want to go and I don't know, maybe Target or Walmart or maybe even the bookstore. I just want to get her some more learning activity type games and stuff that can interject her mind to get her away from that screen sometimes. And so we gonna see what that's looking like out here today. So we just gonna run some errands and go wash the car and stuff. So come on, y'all, let's go hang out. Come hang with us today, little mommy daughter day. I want the purple. Yeah, which purple you like? I want a color though. It's so regular. Oh, no. Here.
I got it right here because I want it.
Okay, we got a couple little choices. They got purple. They got this purple.
This purple?
Kind of like mommy's.
Yep. I'm gonna hold it.
You want that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna hold it because it's no brown.
Let's see. Do they got another fast dry? Oh, they got these ones with sparklies.
I like sparkles.
But we needed to dry fast, so.
These sparklies. These are sparkles.
Hard as nails, hard to resist shades. But.
I take out nail like. So
Do
I
these-
got nails. I'm gonna pick the nail like now because we gotta pay for it.
Oh no. This is pretty, but I don't know if it dry fast. We need.
Pick that back. That's
Okay.
not for cheese. It's for
We
me.
need dry fast. So I got my glasses. So excited.
And I got my nails.
And we here to get her nail polish.
Yep. And we gotta
And I
pay
think-
for it. Yay! I'm going to take my nail polish.
And I think Sissy got nail stickers at home, so we're gonna do her nails pretty later. Oh, you know what? We need like a little buffer. I wonder, Ari probably got all of that. Now we're gonna go check out the toys to get her something educational and something to manipulate and something to play with outside. Cause we're gonna be outside, right? Yeah, we is. Car for you?
Yeah.
Daddy said he gonna get you the car, so we gotta wait for Daddy to come.
No, you need to.
Which one you want to show him? The Minnie Mouse one?
Yeah. You need to really, yeah. I thought you to read it.
Daddy said he gonna get you that car, so we gotta show Daddy that's the one you want right there.
No, you.
Oh, they got the Frozen one too.
Yeah, but.
But you like the Minnie Mouse one?
I thought you to read it.
Girl, I cannot reach that.
Mom, I want a car.
If you got any little kids, do they like kinetic sand? I feel like that's the best option for something to play with. Super soft, that won't make like a big mess. They got this little one for, let's see, never dries out, conforms to, but it's so hard. It says super soft, and it's $1.98. You want to try this? Stop. Goodness gracious. All that noise, all that noise. Okay. Oh, they don't got another. Oh, they had the purple and orange, but it's all gone. They got pink and white, but this somebody tried to rip it up.
I want to rock it.
You have to wait. You need to learn patience. Patience, my toddler. Try some of this. Say wild critter surprise. Kinetic sand.
But wait, I really want to try.
What?
I just want to try one thing.
Tool collector. Oh, ice cream tub. I can't wait to get my new glasses, y'all. I got the glare proof on them and the blue light, because I do be looking at my phone and stuff a lot, like with the editing and all that. So excited. Practice letters and stuff on the fridge.
But please give me it.
No, you have a keyboard at home. If you already have it at home, I'm not getting it. All right.
My nail polish.
We got some things.
Let me
Frisbee,
have my nail
soccer ball. This right here with the shapes and numbers. And this inflatable bouncer. The polish is in there. Child. So I just checked my email as we is about to leave Walmart, and your girl just found out she passed her written test. Yeah, baby. Yo, I was so nervous about that test, but your girl passed. Your girl is officially a dually licensed appearance enhancement professional. Your newly licensed esthetician. Woo woo! Go me. Go see. Go me. Go see. lucked out, y'all, and got the park to ourselves. I thought I would unbox this thingy right here. It is, oh, it lights up when bouncing. It's a LED inflatable bouncer. It says it has the pump included, so let's see. Y'all don't know how happy I am that we got the park to ourselves. Like, top tier, baby, y'all. This is what it looks like. Oh, here's, oh, that's a big pump. Here's the ball. It says for ages 3 and up. Weight limit is 220 pounds. Oh, wow. So this must blow up pretty big. I gotta blow it up, baby. 3 steps. She was kind of sad it wasn't no other kids at the park. It's the plug. Uh-oh. Let's see how long it takes, y'all. I'm doing this in real time. Well, I might speed it up. Oh, that don't take that long, like 60 seconds. Okay, let's see. Careful. That's how you do it. Go ahead. Oh, girl, you okay? Can't believe we is in here shopping for cleats for my little football player, my little flaggy flag, and my little mini flag. Red flag it is. But listen, y'all, we was in the discount Dick's store. This same shoe that's $50 was $20. Make it make sense. I'm on the phone and sit like this while I'm driving. Listen, y'all, the double chin be chinning, okay? But you know what? We gonna work on that. We gonna say that chat for another video. Good morning, stars. It's been maybe about 2 days. Have it been 2 days since I picked up the camera? Today is Wednesday. Yeah, I think it's been 2 days. Yesterday, what we did. Yesterday we went to Ari's first game. Didn't get much footage because a couple minutes after she got on the field, they had to shut the game down because it started thundering. A quick little thunderstorm swept through real quick, so we had to get out of there. So I didn't get to film that, but I did get some pics of my baby in there, and she's excited about playing flag football. I'm excited for her. I love that she likes to keep active, and ever since she was 3 years old, I've loved to put her in different things. So she's tried some of everything. My hope is that once she, you know, hits high school, which she got 1 more year in middle school until high school. So my hope is that once she hits high school, she will narrow it down to maybe, you know, some sports that she liked that she could play during different seasons to keep her active the whole school year, and hopefully that'll lead her on through college. But nevertheless, today is kind of back to the regular. I just dropped my baby off to my cousin who watches her for me while I work. Shout out to her. Couldn't do nothing without her. I've never had to put my kids in daycare because of her. You know what I mean? And the prices that she charges us is not compared to the fees that are out there. So love, and appreciate my family. So nevertheless, I do have a client today, but dang, this car is all up on me. Can y'all see him back there? Probably not. And you know, we're going to the doctor's today because I wasn't feeling good. So the nose congestion has faded away, but the chest is congested. Like every time I cough, I'm coughing up some phlegm or mucus. And at this point, I'm tired of it. Like, it's been over a week. It's been over a week. And this cough is like, I can't even laugh without coughing. I don't like it. I don't like it. Try me something. Oh, I don't even know if I showed y'all my nails the other day when we went to the nail salon. Baby girl was in there with me doing the most. Do I look slanted, y'all? I can't tell. I feel like it's a little crooked. Anywho, this glare from my glasses is crazy. Alright, so they basically gave me a nose swab to test for viruses, and he took some blood work and prescribed me some cough medicine. So he said it could be a viral thing, being that I told him that the allergy medicine is not really working. So I don't know. We'll see what these results say. In the meantime, I hope this over-the-counter cough medicine works better than, not the over-the-counter. I hope this prescribed cough medicine works better than the over-the-counter one, because yeah, it's just this nagging cough. Like, it gotta go. I gotta go back to work. I just got done with my client, and I just filmed another little video real quick. Ooh, dang. Now, usually when I take this thing off after getting blood work done, it ain't this much blood on here. Jeez. I'm gonna ask them not to use this tape next time. Jeez. I don't really got much planned for the rest of the day. I need to get some editing done, and I need to go home and do a couple things over at the house before I go get Rain and Ari. Ain't much going on at all. If I don't see y'all later today, I will see y'all tomorrow. It's back to work. Back to work. I don't want to go back.